Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Marius Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through only 3 simple codes or 3 simple ways you can use on Airtel Uganda and get cheaper bundles or get some bundles as a Ugandan. So if you're new on this YouTube channel, consider subscribing for more tutorials and updates like this. Don't forget to share this tutorial with your friend, and if you get any problem or for any inquiry, let me know in the comment section. I'll be able to help you out. So open your phone, is there a pad, and I'm going to show you the first code. So the first code, as a Ugandan, you're going to type in *100# and then check yes. On your Airtel Uganda, choose that particular SIM card, and you're going to choose option 0, which is my pack last. You're going to choose option 2, which is data pack last, and you'll be buying those particular bundles at that particular price. The second code is *100#. Check yes and call on Airtel Uganda. You're going to choose option 2, and then you're going to choose option 10, which is learn from home. You're going to choose option 2, which is buy learn from home, and then you're going to choose option 3 for daily, option 2 for weekly, or option 1 for monthly. Learn from home bundles, they activate temporarily, they activate your SIM card for UDP or for KYC. The third code is *100#. Check OK on SIM 1, and it is the last code. You're going to choose option 2. You're going to choose option 8. You're going to choose option 2, but that isn't it. Let us first choose star. We are going to choose it is option 6. You're going to choose option 1, and then by choosing option 1, make sure that the SIM card you are using has an active data bundle that you want to share to yourself, and you're going to follow all the procedures so that you can be able to access some internet at a cheaper price. And then that is it. Let us meet in the next tutorials. I'm Marius Tech, and I sign out.